What's up mga boss Amulods? For today's episode, pupunta tayo sa isla ng Catanduanes para bisitahin ang ilan sa mga tourist spot dito sa isla. Pero syempre, may kasama pa rin tong konting deliver. Tara, samahan nyo kami silipin ang isla ng Catanduanes. Let's go mga boss Amulods.
Not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away.
Unahin na natin ang binurong point sa Barangay Ginsaanan, Maras, Catanduanes. Ilang minutes yung walk? So, maglalakad daw tayo ng about 25-30 minutes. Tapos anong destination natin, te? Ito alam mo, te?
Distance po, welcome to Barangay Ginsaanan, welcome to Binurong Point.
Yun, sa Binurong Point po tayo, pupunta kasama natin si Ate Michelle. Ayan, tara, let's go. Ito yung dadaanan natin mga bossing. Kung pupunta kayo dito, hanapin si Ate Michelle. Dapat pumunta kayo maaga kasi si Ate Michelle hindi ka nakasamahan pagka mga pahapon na.
Okay na lang, sunrise. Saka minsan hapon.
Yun, kahit anong oras daw oh. Ako tayo tatamaan dito ah. Tatamaan ng ano. Hindi, ng dito, potassium. Bali dalawa yung kinuha namin tourist guide. Dalawa silang sumama sa amin. 30 minutes. 30 minutes walk to mga boss. Cut natin yung video. Update namin kayo mamaya. Malinis tong ano, agos na to. Okay. Kailangan medyo malakas yung resistensya mo. Dahil kung may lahi na, pwede kang hapuin sa kalagitnaan. Kagaya nito. Pasilip ko naman sa inyo ang Twin Rock Resort sa Virac, Catanduanes.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away.
Nadaanan din pala natin ang Old Church sa Bato, Catanduanes.
take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way.
Tara, silipin naman natin ang Pura Run Beach Resort sa Baras, Catanduanes.
Hide away just for one night, but if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave.
Nandito na pala tayo sa East Coast Beach Resort. Dito rin yan sa Baras, Catanduanes. Dito na rin tayo mananghalian mga boss Amolods. Tara, silipin natin kung gaano kaganda tong resort na to. Let's go mga bossing.
You only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
Isa lang yan sa mga magagandang lugar dito sa isla ng Catanduanes mga boss Amolods. Next, balik natin dito. Puntahan natin ang ilan pa sa mga tourist spot ng Catanduanes, kagaya ng Buto ni Curacogue, yung half face ni Jesus Christ, at marami pang iba mga bossing. So paano? Back to deliver tayo. Let's go mga boss. Bago tayo tumawid ng Catanduanes, nag-deliver muna tayo dito sa shoutout sa AJ's Lechon kay Boss Arnel Sanchez Pano ng General Nakar, Quezon Province mga boss Amolods. 6,000 ng Fujihama diesel silent type ang order ni Boss Mark Anthony Tan sa Bira, Catanduanes. Shoutout kay Boss RJ ng Higmoto. Ang order niya is 75i. Let's go mga bossing. Shoutout kay Boss Ronnie Ramos ng Palawig, San Andres, Catanduanes. Ang order niya is 12 kBA ng Anmax. Shoutout kay Boss Mark Dumahil ng Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Dinaanan natin to bago umuwi ng Manila. Let's go mga boss Amolods.